we'll guide you through how to deploy Vercel Edge Functions using the latest methods and tools available in 2025. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to the Vercel website. Log into your account if you're not already. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard. You want to find the project where you want to deploy the Edge function. Click on the project name to open it. You'll see a tab labeled Edge Functions on the left-hand side menu. Click on it. Now, you'll want to create a new Edge function. Click on the New Function button. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your function. Choose something descriptive that reflects what your function will do. After naming your function, you'll see a code editor where you can write your function code. Vercel supports JavaScript, TypeScript, and other languages, so pick the one you're comfortable with. Write your function code, ensuring it follows the structure and format required by Vercel. Once your code is ready, look for the Save button or the Deploy option at the top right of the editor. Click it to deploy your function. Vercel will build and deploy your Edge function, and you can track the deployment progress on the interface. After deployment, you can test your function by using the provided URL or integrating it into your existing project. If you need to make changes, you can always return to the Edge Functions tab, edit your code, and redeploy. Remember, Vercel's Edge functions allow for ultra-fast, serverless function execution close to your users, improving performance and response times. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.